Overseas Filipino workers or OFWs and their families need to realize that they cannot work abroad forever. Sooner or later, they will need to retire and won't be earning as much as they used to. So they need to make their money grow. Whether you want to prepare financially for your post-OFW life or build your retirement fund, here are the best investments for OFWs you may consider. 1. Bank products. Perhaps the most popular and common of all investments, bank products come in different options such as savings accounts, certificate of deposits, CDs, money market, and federal insurance. The money you deposited are federally insured to up to a certain limit and can be easily withdrawn. 2. Bonds. Bonds are loans offered by an investor to governments and corporations. In exchange, the borrower will pay the interest on the borrowed money at a predetermined schedule, annual or semi-annual, and will need to return the principal on an agreed-upon maturity date. 3. Stocks. Put simply, stocks are units of ownership in a corporation. This means that if you own or invest in stocks of a company, you become one of its owners. 4. Investment funds. Capital or money that is sourced from different investors. A mutual fund is one of the most common types of investment fund. 5. Annuity. Money that gets paid at fixed intervals to an individual at an agreed-upon time. That individual will first need to pay for the annuity in one lump sum or through a series of payments also known as premiums. 6. College fund. Saving money for college expenses in the future. Earnings of the money deposited in a college fund are not subjected to federal and state tax, depending on the location, as long as the funds are strictly used for college expenses only. 7. Business capital. Simply put, money that you put into a business to gain, active or passive, earnings or income. 8. Commodity futures. An agreement or contract designed to buy or sell a specified amount of a commodity at a fixed price and future date. This helps protect buyers by negating risks caused by fluctuations in price of the commodity in the future. 9. Security futures. Similar to commodity futures. However, instead of commodities, it's an agreement to purchase and sell a fixed amount of shares of a particular stock at a specified price on a specified future date. 10. Insurance. Insurance is essentially protection against potential financial loss, damage or harm. The insured or policyholder pays premiums to buy a policy that states the terms and conditions in which the insurer is required to pay. 11. Real estate. Real estate investing aims for the generation of income or profit through purchasing, leasing, managing or selling a piece of realty property for a higher price than it was acquired, when the property's value appreciates over time. 12. Alternative and complex products. Alternative and complex products are other optional investment vehicles outside of traditional stock and bond investments. Some examples of this are notes with principal protection and risky high-yield bonds that have low credit ratings. Most are risky but provide high rates of return. Investing makes goals possible. Whether it's buying your own home or participating in the stock market, investments for OFWs are an opportunity for financial independence you shouldn't miss out on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips and guides, subscribe to this channel.